What's up, YouTube? Just wanted y'all to check out this little video of a hit and run I was in today. Check this out right here. Here it come. So right here, I see they getting a little too close, right? So I get off the brake right there. Boom. They had a chance not to hit me. Didn't get off the brake. Boom, hit me. And check this out. Blew my mind, right? I'm thinking we finna pull over and hash it out. Look at him, gone. Just took off on me. But luckily, I had a trailer hitch in, and they pretty much ran smack into that. Tore that radiator up. So I'm over here chilling. I'm like, dang, what should I do or whatever? So I end up moving to the spot over here so I can easily tell the cops where I'm at. Tell me why. The person comes into this parking lot, dog. The same parking lot I'm in. I'm like, bro, ain't no way. Tell me why they call a lift or whatever and flee the scene right here in front of me. Caught it all on camera. Like they didn't even know I was in the same parking lot. Blew my mind. But of course, the cops took their time getting there and couldn't, they didn't catch them. They came like literally 3 minutes after this. Like right after they pulled off. I mean, I'm grateful I didn't have significant damages, but dang. So now, the cop pulled up the insurance information that was on the car or whatever. I don't know if it was their car or not, but I'm having a hard time finding out I mean, finding out someone to talk to from the insurance company. Like the first time I called from the insurance company went straight to a out of service sound or whatever. It was called Red Point County Mutual Insurance. But yeah, they got their car towed and everything, man. I just thought I'd share this with y'all. But shout out to Pelsee Cam. That's the dash cam I have. It caught all of that action. I recommend everyone have a dash cam, especially if you live in Texas. Look at them trying to drive out. Car wouldn't even go nowhere. It probably told the AC and everything because that trailer hitch went straight through there.